we posted up a storm center flag just to show you how crazy the wind is. And I tell you, the conditions, they're not so good right now. We are back in the car after our crazy outdoor beach adventure. We're on our way to get coffee. As any good New Englander should, despite the blizzard possible conditions, how'd you go pick up an iced coffee? I got my sunglasses on, not for any other reason, not because the snow is hitting my eyes and my face and it's making me cry and make all my makeup come off, just because it's a beautiful sunny day out here, you guys.
And check in here with Hannah Montana, who's covering the storm for us with the bright pink scarf and the sunglasses. I mean, it's a day at the beach for Katie Delaney. Don't let her fool you.
We heard rumblings that there was close to zero visibility at the Sanford airport, so we decided to check it out for ourselves. And basically, the moral of the story is, I hope you're hungry for nothing. With this beautiful weather, what better time than to go on the beach, of course. Come along on a walk with us. The wind, kind of the main character right now. Stay inside if you can, or enjoy the beach if you want to have a good time. Come kick it with me.